The best gaming PC isn't necessarily the most powerful and most kitted out option on the market. That means that you don't have to break the bank to get a gaming computer that lets you enjoy the latest titles. Depending on your gaming demands and budget, the ideal one for you might just be an affordable one for 1440p gaming. Building your own PC isn't necessarily the best route for everyone, although many hardcore gamers will tell you differently. If you're on a tight budget, a casual gamer, or someone who hasn't built a desktop computer before, a pre-built gaming PC might be the best PC for you. You'll also have a better chance of getting the best graphics card or the best processor that is a little harder to get on its own due to stock shortage. Number 5. Acer Predator Orion 3000. 10th generation Intel Core i5-10400F6 core processor, up to 3 GHz, 12 GB DDR4 2666 MHz memory, expandable to 64 GB, 512 GB NVMe. 2 SSD NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super Graphics with 6 GB of GDDR6 video memory, 1 X DisplayPort, 1 X HDMI port and 1 DVI port, DTS-X. Ultra Audio, Intel Wireless Wi-Fi 6AX 200-1802. 11AX. Killer Ethernet E2610 100s, 1000 Gigabit Ethernet 1 USB 3. 2. Type-C, Gen 2 port, up to 10 Gbps, front, 1 USB 3. 2 Gen 2 port, front, 4 USB 3. 2 Gen 1 port, rear, 2 USB 2. 0 ports, rear, Predator RGB Gaming Keyboard and Predator RGB Gaming Mouse System RAM type, DDR4_SDRAM. Number 4. Corsair One i300. Huge power, small size. Power through the most demanding games and applications with ease with the one-of-a-kind Corsair One, packing the cutting-edge performance of a modern gaming PC into a gorgeous and quiet small form factor that takes up less desk space than a laptop. Reliable Corsair components. Play in confidence for years thanks to high-quality, award-winning Corsair components. 12th Gen Intel Core CPU. The latest in dynamic CPU architecture so you can game and multitask without compromise. NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics. Experience incredibly lifelike real-time ray-traced graphics and blisteringly high frame rates. Corsair Vengeance DDR5 memory. Corsair high-performance memory leverages the latest platform for the unprecedented speeds to handle even the most complex applications. Number 3. Omen 30L Gaming. Ready to play? Sure, skills are important, but with the Omen 30L desktop PC's powerful processor, stunning graphics, and a large front fan, you really can't make any more excuses for losing ultimate gaming. The GeForce RTX 3080 delivers the ultra performance that gamers crave, powered by Ampere, NVIDIA's 2nd Gen RTX architecture. With 10 GB GDDR6X dedicated memory, your 4K gaming experience will never look smoother. Make it yours. Let your desktop reflect your style with easy-to-upgrade hardware, and Omen Command Center's growing list of customization and optimization features powerful processor, game, stream, create, and edit multimedia content faster than ever with 10th generation Intel Core i9-10850K processor with liquid cooling dual storage options, by including both 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2. solid-state drive for the operating system and 2TB 7200 RPM SATA hard drive. You get the benefits of both worlds: fast boot-up times, snappy responsiveness, and larger storage capacity. HyperX DDR4 memory, with 32 GB of RAM. Everything from browsing multiple web pages to playing games gets a boost. VR ready. Enjoy optimal VR performance as your desktop is VR ready right out of the box. Number 2. Acer Predator Orion 7000. Intel Core i7-12700K processor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 32 GB DDR5, 1TB M.2. SSD, 2TB 7200 RPM hard drive, Killer E3100G Ethernet Intel Wireless Wi-Fi 6E AX211, Windows 11 dual-mode USB, wireless gaming mouse with 8 programmable buttons, PixArt 3325 sensor, 5-level DPI shift setting with LED indicator, up to 16,000. Connectivity technology: wireless, Wi-Fi, wired, USB special feature, wireless, number of buttons 8, hand orientation ambidextrous. Processor 4.7 GHz Core i7_12700K RAM DDR5 hard drive, mechanical hard drive chipset brand NVIDIA brand Acer series Predator Orion 7000 P07, 640, 11 operating system Windows 11 home processor brand Intel ASIN B0B3TX4YHR date first available. Number 1. Alienware Aurora R10. Specific uses for product multimedia. Personal, gaming brand Alienware Personal Computer Design Type Computer Tower Operating System Windows 11 Home Memory Storage Capacity 1 TB RAM Memory Installed Size 16 GB Series Alienware Aurora R10 Gaming Desktop Included Components Desktop Tower, Power Cord, Documentation CPU Model AMD Ryzen 7 Color Black Powerful Performance. The AMD Ryzen 7 processor in Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R10 gaming desktop empowers gamers with computing and graphics horsepower. Incredible graphics. Designed with AMD Radeon graphics, this gaming PC pushes performance to its limit, creating an immersive gaming experience. The latest tech. PCI Express 4.0 provides graphics, storage drives and networking adapters greater bandwidth so that every component performs at their highest level. Liquid-cooled. Designed with a liquid-cooled CPU, the Alienware Ryzen R10 allows users to push their system to extreme levels without having to worry about overheating. Dell warranty support.